I'm James Gowers, and I own Great Falls Auto Repair and Fleet Truck and RV Repair in Great Falls, Montana. And had a really great experience with Lyft. They have really shown me some of the holes in our previous marketing that we were doing digitally, and really helped us get to the next level, I would say, and continuing to do that. One of the things that I love is how Kelsey and his team are really responsive. If I have a problem, I can text them and they're on it right away. That's huge to me. Customer service, it's that customer service orientation. And the other thing I really love about it is that we do monthly meetings to go over our marketing, not just what they do, but with how the shop's doing as a whole. And that speaks volumes to us, to me as an individual and to our corporation. So really appreciate that. And if you're really on the fence on it, I just recommend just, rip the band-aid off, go full force. 'Cause that's what I did. And it's really kind of helped us grow as a company. Both of our shops, they're also there to help us with our digital, not only our digital marketing, but our uh, making sure that our mailers are going out. And if we're having an issue, it's nice to have that other person, other team to kind of help bring it back together and work out.